New Year! Happy New Year! Ay, wala tayong tarotot. Okay. Bakit? Pero eto na nga mga ka-triggered. It's New Year na at syempre, hindi pwedeng mawala ating mga chika sa mga kapitbahay, sa mga kaibigan natin. Pero ang tanong today, okay, pwede ba tayong chumika responsibly? Okay? So, sino nga ba makakasama natin today? Syempre, siya yung taong chika ng chika ng chika. Ang dami niya talagang chika.
Parang
Okay.
hindi huminto ah.
Hindi, pero eto naman, chikadora siya, pero responsible. Oh, di ba? Ayun.
Importante yan.
Correct.
chika.
Ethical chika. Oh, syempre.
Intentional chika.
Correct. Purposeful chika. Chika with
Ano
a
bang
heart.
adjectives? More.
More pa. Pero eto na nga, from GMA Integrated News, news anchor, senior news correspondent, author, at laging updated sa showbiz news, Nelson Canlan!
Maraming salamat mga ka-trigger. Sana wag niyo ako i-trigger ngayon.
At syempre, sino ba yung kasama pa natin?
Ano
Sino
ba
tayong
yung
kasama?
pogi naman dito?
Wait lang ha. Wag na ako kasi ikaw kababayan mo to eh. Tsaka
Oo.
kaibigan mo to eh, di ba?
Amo-amo. Sige,
Oo,
Ilya
amo-amo.
lang.
Oo.
Kuya Chabacano. Alam nyo na, kababayan, from Zamboanga din po siya. At syempre, restaurateur? ba?
Restaurateur, yes.
Restaurateur.
And chef,
Owner.
yeah, owner.
Owner of Palm Grill. Chef, of course, Chef Miggy.
Hi. Hello mga ka-trigger.
Triggered.
Ka-triggered.
Triggered,
Ay,
yeah.
mga
Wait lang.
ka-triggered. Happy New Year.
Bait-bait mo.
Yun nga eh. Tol, hindi man ang sina na Zamboanga. Uy, charas lang.
Wala kasi ako sa kusina. That's why.
Sa kusina lang siya halimaw.
Yes.
Do you shout in there?
No, I don't shout. I just stare.
Oh my God. That's even scarier.
Scary.
That's even,
Yeah,
do you
it's
watch The Bear?
Yes, I do.
Oh
Yeah.
my gosh, I love
You
that
love it?
show.
Di ba?
Eme! Okay, chika. Chika na.
Sorry.
oo. Pero again, thank you so much for having us here sa Palm Grill.
Of course, the pleasure is
Oo.
mine. Welcome, guys.
First time namin dito. Pero ako personally, hindi ko first time
Yes,
dito.
yes,
I
regular
always-
customer.
Yes, I was... Uy, meron pa ba kayo nung ice cream nyo na Kalabaw milk?
Yes, the knicker. And,
Oh my gosh, I need that for my teeth.
Yes, later
Cold stuff.
on.
You want now? Kukuha tayo.
Ay, ibang klase talaga.
I know the owner. Don't worry.
Owner?
I know the owner. Don't worry.
Oh, pero eto na nga, nandito sila located sa Tomas Morato sa Scout. Ano nga ito?
Castor.
Scout Castor.
Tomas
O,
Morato,
bisitahin
yeah.
nyo sila. O, eto na nga. At eto, trivia lang mga ka-triggered. Si Chef Miggy, licensed nurse din siya.
Yes.
Oh, that's so cool.
Another commonality namin, ang hindi lang parehas is licensed siya. Pero
Ay, hindi ka kumuha ng board.
Oh,
Hindi ka kumuha ng board.
Hindi, kasi nag-artista na ako.
Nag-artista na kasi.
Mga kapuso.
Na-discover na siya.
Alam mo, kung hindi lang siya napigilan ng nanay niya, baka nag-artista na lang din siya.
Diba? Oh, common.
Yeah, come on,
knowledge
come on,
yan,
yeah.
diba?
Oo, kasi pumila siya sa PBB eh.
Bakit may pagpalo? May pagpalo
Totoo.
nangyayari.
Kaya a long time ago, yes. Yeah.
Hindi, okay, may collab naman ang PBB at saka GMA, kaya okay lang sabihin.
Okay lang sabihin.
Oo.
Sana one more time pa, no?
Wag
Collab.
na.
Yes? Ano ba yan?
Okay na
Wag
yun.
na.
Go pa rin yan. Ako, I say go. Charot! Okay. Hindi, pero eto, Chef Miggy, Sir Nelson, paano ba nag-start yung Palm Grill? Oo, kwento niyo naman sa amin.
Ikaw ba yun? No, ako.
Ikaw na, interrupt mo rin naman ako eh.
Yeah, Palm Grill,
Nakakainis.
Hindi, wait lang ha, baka kasi nagugulat yung mga triggered natin ha, na
Okay.
parang, ba't kami ganun ka-close?
Oo
niya?
nga, bakit nga?
BFF?
Ikaw na magsabi, mamaya sa akin yun naman galing eh.
Wait,
Ikaw
ang
na.
cute nila kasi nagbabatuhan sila. Ay, ikaw na magsabi. Ay,
Hindi.
ikaw na.
Hindi ako sanay.
Hindi nakakatuwa.
hindi ako sanay, siya na lang magsabi. Yeah.
Oh,
Oh,
diba?
sige ako, wag mo ko interrupt ha. Chef Miggy is my husband.
Yeah!
We've been together 10 years.
For
10
how many
years, 10 years.
years.
Kaya yun. Kaya meron na kaming mga, tumigil ka.
Oo. Madami na silang pinagsamahan.
Yeah, so
Oh,
babalik
ay,
na,
naku,
babalik na
sobra.
tayo sa unang tanong.
Oo. Paano nagsimula ang
Paano nagsimula
Palm
ang
Grill?
Okay.
Nagsimula ang Palm Grill in 2017.
20.
No, the purpose ng Palm Grill was to introduce the best of Southern Mindanaoan cuisine. Kasi I'm a proud Tausug chef. I was born in Olosulu. I grew up in Zamboanga City. So I wanted to bring the food into the Manila scene and to introduce it, basically. And then eventually, we've been running the restaurant for 8 years now, plus the Michelin Bib Gourmand Award. So it was a validation to the hard work and the love that we put into making sure that we elevate, we do not forget, and we celebrate regional cuisine as Filipinos.
Yes. Alam niyo, maganda talaga yung business pag nag-start ito out of passion and out of love
Yes.
for something.
Yeah.
Kasi talagang ma-maintain mo. Kasi pag motivation lang ito, naku, mawawala lang.
Madaming
Pero if you're,
motivation
yes, but if you're passionate about it, you have the heart about it, wala,
That's correct, yeah.
magra-rise up talaga
Tsaka
ito.
nag-stick siya sa core niya, sa pinanggalingan niya.
Yes.
Diba? Hindi niya
That's what I
Dagdag ko
love.
lang mga ka-triggered.
Oo.
It was not very easy at the start. Kasi paano mo mapapakain ng tausug food ang mga taga Metro Manila? Hindi nga nila alam yung itsura. Pati yung mga pangalan, hindi nila alam. So talagang sobrang challenge talaga.
Oo, part of the challenge was you get the discrimination, you know, because a lot of people do not understand, do not know, not familiar, has never been. So parang all the preconceived notions and ideas ng mga tao is quite negative.
Yeah.
So parang all of those put in together and running a restaurant where it's difficult to have your voice be heard. So parang that was the major struggle. So pero that also in a way motivated us.
Yeah.
Na parang to keep on going, to continue what we're doing. Kasi our mission was to change that perspective, to change the narrative and the conversation. So luckily, after 8 years, the conversation now is about the flavors. So it's not anymore centered on yung mga naririnig nila sa news, yung mga haka-haka nila. So
But
that
thanks
makes us
also
very
to the
happy.
Michelin
Oh, naman.
Bib Gourmand
Oh.
na ano.
Oh,
It
how
really
did it
opened a
feel?
lot of doors.
Oh, yeah. I mean-
kasi kung dati si Chef Miggy, para hindi niya mapalabas yung tao. Kasi pag pumasok yung tao, titignan lang yung menu. Tapos lalabas na, may ano na siya na parang, wag yung bayaran kung hindi masarap.
Dati.
Parang
yeah.
ganon. As in talagang may ganon. Na
Dati,
parang, tikman nyo lang.
Dati it went that far na parang after explaining, talagang it's so difficult and hard. So, but when the Michelin arrived, hindi na kailangan mag-explain. Sila na kusang pumapasok.
Yeah.
Tumitikim at sumusubok. And the good thing about it is, the Michelin actually made our voices louder and bigger and bolder. And then it reached more people. And, I don't even have to go out and explain anymore. Pumupunta
Na-recognize
sila.
na rin
Yes,
talaga siya. And
talaga.
also, what's nice about people nowadays, given my social media din, hindi ko alam, pero people are more open-minded to trying out new things ngayon.
Now, yes.
Especially
compared
the Gen Z.
before.
Yeah, this
Yeah.
day and
Oo.
age.
Parang may magandang hangin, no?
Yes.
Di ba? Na parang, ay, try nga natin to. Like, I saw some of my friends na who tried it here din, na dinala ko sila sa Palm Grill. Talagang they were like, oh, ano to, ganito, ganyan. But then when they tried it, they were like, wow, amazing,
Yeah.
ang sarap.
Yeah.
Oo, sa
Masarap
mga...
kasi talaga yung pagkain.
Yeah.
Yes, it was lovely.
And it
Ako,
also
thank you.
makes me proud as a Zamboangueña
Of course,
as well.
yeah.
Kaya thank you so much for bringing Palm Grill here
You're
and making it
welcome.
available for
Yeah.
everybody here in Manila.
Yeah.
I-flex ko lang
Oo.
baka lang hindi masabi ni Chef Miggy. When he was awarded the Bib Gourmand, it's the first and only Mindanao restaurant in the whole world na nagkaroon ng ganon.
Wow.
In the whole world.
Diba?
Yes, yeah.
And praise the Lord for that.
Yes.
Praise the Lord for that, really.
All of your hard work
Congratulations.
talaga. Hindi madali.
I mean, it's hard enough to enter the food and beverage industry, but to bring a cuisine that is so unfamiliar to the
yeah.
Yes.
to this scene. Did you
Yeah.
have Palm Grill in Zamboanga?
Yeah,
as
no,
well?
that's
This
an
is your-
interesting question.
Very
This is
soon.
Maybe
I
soon.
caught that.
Yeah, but we opened it here in Metro Manila kasi parang for me, the essence of it is to introduce it. So if I opened it first in Zamboanga, a lot of people are already familiar with it. So I want to bring it to somewhere where it's not familiar. So it was an uncharted territory for me coming in.
Yeah.
So that also brought in the fun and the excitement. And then, not knowing what to expect. Yeah, pero, all those difficulties finally got rewarded. And we're very happy because now, with that kind of global recognition, it puts Mindanaoan cuisine, it puts Zamba Sulta cuisine in the map. And that's what truly matters to us. That's the purpose